Insanity day 16. Plyometric cardio circuit. I make sure I record this before I do the cool down, because I find by the time I done the cool down and I done all of the yoga something them, I'm very calm in my spirit and I'm in a very good place. I'm gonna come here, come talk about all kind of positive things. Shaun T, I hate you. And I said that with all the love in the world. Because I know that you're working for my good, but I hate you. What? Why? Why is it that you feel that my body is made to do these things? My body is not made to do these things. And when me see some of you like a robot, them a jump I like bunny rabbit. I can be able to come off of the ground. If I get 2 inches off of the ground and I say, bully who? You see all of this foolishness now about butt kicks? No, foolishness, squash it. You see all them thing about, you know me love mommy kicks. You see, mommy, me love mommy, because when mommy come, just say, Ray, oh, me fit on this thing. Yo, there's something try to, me can't even find me wrong. There's something try to mash me up. The exercise tried to mash me up and it win. Today, Insanity won. I did not win today. Today, Shaun T win. Because I'm up on the ground and collapse. And it always amazes me that you'll have 1 week where you can do something, and the next week is that no matter how you push your body, it just nah come. And you say, yo, I'm not supposed to fit on this. I just start up the fit test yesterday, you know. Come today and can't do something, you know. It is about your mind and your body and whether the two of them come together. And sometimes you go have an off day, but I don't want to reach that zen place before I come make this something. This file, this report. Shaun T win today. I mash down. I sweat, which means that something I burn, but I feel like I'm ready for just drop down right now. For anybody else who's doing Insanity, you will know that this is a good thing. Supposedly, when you feel like this, it means your body is working. I'm not say after I take a bath and cool off and them something, I'm gonna feel better and feel good about myself. So I'm gonna put the utmost in the workout. But right now, come here. Right now, me not feel great. Shaun T 1, Carla 0 for today. But tomorrow I come feel. Everybody else order them workouts. Thank you, because I feel less alone. Bye. I go to the cool down now because him claims that is the most important part after the workout, like after the stretch. It's the most important part.